Welcome to Core Diagnose. In this tutorial, you will learn our primary storage extension for Dentsply Sirona X-ray Systems. Core can now be used as primary storage for all your Dentsply Sirona X-rays devices. Hosted by an HDS certified provider, it means that you can rely on Core as your backup location, or fully rely on Core as primary storage as the data is stored in multiple locations and with a high service availability thanks to built-in system redundancy, allowing you to free up your Sidex's server and replace other storage locations. You will be notified of this change as we roll out updated terms and conditions that reflect that Core now can be used as a primary storage. Primary storage for X-rays is available with a Core standard subscription. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new features and functionalities for Core Diagnose, Plan and Make. Thank you for watching.